If you're rolling over your 401k into an IRA, you might be wondering how to avoid taxes and keep your wealth intact. The good news is there are ways to do this legally and smartly, and today I'm going to show you how. Many retirees make the mistake of not fully understanding the tax implications when transferring their 401k into an IRA. If you don't do it the right way, you could end up paying taxes you didn't expect. But don't worry, I'm here to walk you through it so you don't make those costly mistakes. First, let's talk about the importance of choosing the right type of IRA for your rollover. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, you want to consider a traditional IRA for your rollover. By rolling your 401k into a traditional IRA, you avoid any immediate tax hits. This is key because your 401k and IRA are both tax deferred, meaning you won't pay taxes until you start withdrawing in retirement. This is the most common approach for those looking to keep their tax burden low while preserving their wealth. Now, if you're looking for a way to completely sidestep taxes, consider the Roth IRA, though this is a bit trickier. With a Roth IRA, your contributions are taxed up front, but the great part is that withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. This is an excellent option if you're confident that your tax rate in retirement will be higher than it is now. But remember, when rolling over a 401k to a Roth IRA, you will have to pay taxes on the amount you're converting. It's a trade-off you need to consider based on your long-term plans. And for those of you with substantial savings, especially over 100k in an IRA or 401k, this could be a great opportunity to diversify and keep your wealth growing without the constant tax burden. If you're not sure which IRA to choose, this is where working with an expert really pays off. I recommend checking out the first link in the description for a free Gold IRA guide. This guide can help you learn why thousands of Americans are turning to Gold IRAs to protect their wealth. It's a smart move for anyone looking to roll over their 401k with a tax-efficient, low-risk strategy. One of the biggest mistakes retirees make is skipping the direct rollover. A direct rollover means transferring your 401k funds straight into an IRA without ever touching the money. This method avoids any tax penalties or withholding. On the other hand, if you take the money out and try to deposit it into your IRA yourself, you could face a 20% withholding tax and may even incur a penalty. So, remember, always go with a direct rollover. If you're looking to make sure your wealth is protected and diversified in the future, don't overlook one of the best options for retirees: Gold IRAs. A Gold IRA allows you to protect your savings from inflation, market fluctuations, and the constant threat of taxes. You see, Gold IRAs are one of the few investments that can be protected from market volatility while still growing over time. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, it's time to consider moving your savings into a Gold IRA. Now, once your funds are safely rolled over into the right IRA, it's important to remember that timing is everything. While you're still working and earning income, you can contribute to your IRA and continue building tax-deferred wealth. But if you're retired, the idea is to have a strategy in place that minimizes the tax burden on your distributions. And that's where Gold IRAs come in. IRAs. For American retirees, having your wealth stored in a Gold IRA makes it easier to avoid the ups and downs of the market and preserve your wealth long term. If you're considering a rollover, make sure you're thinking about how your investments can grow without the constant fear of taxes eroding your hard-earned money. If you're ready to take control of your financial future and minimize taxes on your 401k rollover, then check out the first link in the description for that free guide. It's tailored specifically for Americans with 100k plus or more in their IRA or 401k, and it's the perfect step for anyone looking to preserve their wealth for the future. Don't wait. Get your free guide today and start protecting your retirement savings now.